Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the best Nigerian fish roast. Without any further ado, let's get started. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I'm using mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will season with salt, black pepper, onions powder, and you can use any season of your choice to season the fish. I will transfer to a baking rack. I will be baking this fish in the oven. However, you can also steam cook the fish before using it. I will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they are nice and ready, I will take them out of the oven. Allow them to cool down a little bit, and I will debone the fish. I will also be using bell peppers, spring onions, lemon, ginger, garlic, and I have them nicely chopped already. In a pan, I will add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I will add the chopped onions. And I will saute that for about a minute or two. Next, add the garlic. Stir. Add pepper and ginger. Stir and saute it for about 5 minutes. Next, add the mackerel fish. I will season with thyme, season powder, dry pepper, and salt. And stir. Next, add spring onions. Give it a quick stir. I will add the juice of half a lemon. Adding lemon juice to fish is a winner. It will take this filling to another level of deliciousness. And this is totally optional. You don't have to add lemon juice to the filling. I will give it a very nice stir, and this filling is ready. I will transfer to a bowl and leave it to cool down. Next, for the dough, here are the list of ingredients. I'll also be listing them down in the description box below. In a bowl, I will measure in all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is the same as plain flour. Add baking powder, sugar, salt, and whisk everything together. Next, I will zest in 1 lemon, and the lemon zest is just for flavor. You can use orange zest, you can use nutmeg, you can use cinnamon, you can use any flavor of your choice for this recipe. Mix together. add egg, melted margarine, water, and mix to combine everything together. You can also use butter for this recipe. All ingredients should be at room temperature. They should not be cold. Add water gradually until you get a dough. And the dough should not be too hard, not too soft. Next, cover, leave it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Transfer to a work surface and knead it just a little bit. Divide the dough into the portion you're going to be working with. Flour the work surface. Roll the dough to be thin. Add some of the filling. You can add as much as you want. And roll the dough. So I will roll and pinch the edge like so. And I will continue to roll it. To seal it, I will use my hand to rub it with water and roll it like so. I will be repeating this process until I am done. Add the filling. I will roll it. Pinch the edge. This is to prevent the filling from coming out while frying, and then roll the dough. Seal with water. Put that aside. Another method you can use: flour the work surface, roll the dough, trim the edge, and do not throw out the trim one. You have to keep reusing it until everything is done. So add as much filling as you want. And roll it like so. Next, seal it with water and trim out the excess one. Trim the edge. And I will divide this into 3. and I'll put them aside. I have everything nicely rolled out. It's time to fry. The oil is being on the stove, and to check the oil temperature, drop a piece of the dough. Once it comes up, that means the oil is hot. I will be infusing this oil with onions. I will take out that piece. Add the fish rolls, fry on medium heat. The onions is optional, but it took these fish rolls to another level. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma coming out of my kitchen. Give it a stir. Allow them to fry until they are golden brown. I will take out the onions, and do not throw it away. You can also use that onions to make your stew. Give them a stir from time to time so they can fry evenly without getting burnt. And once they are golden brown, take them out of the hot oil. Transfer them to a paper towel to take out any excess oil. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe if you are not already. It is totally free. The second method, I'm using air fryer. I will brush the tray with oil to prevent them from sticking. You can also bake them in the oven as well. If you are trying to reduce your oil intake, this is the method for you. I will brush them with oil to prevent them from drying out. I will air fry for about 20 to 25 minutes. And it's been 20 minutes. They are ready. Here I have the fried fish rolls and the air fried fish rolls. And I'm going to go ahead to enjoy it. They smell amazing. They were very, very delicious. Very crispy as well. I'm just going to open it so you see what it looks like inside it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.